Hello lovely viewers, welcome again to our channel. We would love to thank you for the support you have given us so far. Today, we are bringing you an update of the construction of the Ahafo Regional Coordinating Council, located here in the capital Goaso. The project, which began in around 2020, has been almost completed. Looking at the project, as you can see in the videos, it's about 95% completed. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do well to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos. The beautiful edifice will house the various departments in the regional, especially the office of the minister and deputy and other sensitive departments. It's the hope of the lovely people in the region that the project will be fully completed so that the staffs can move out from their rented place to occupy this permanent structure. The region, which was carved out of the southeastern part of the Ahafo region on 13 February 2019 by a constitutional instrument 114, has Goaso and Sunafo North Municipal as its capital. The other districts and municipalities under the region are Sunafo South, Ashantiregion North, Ashantiregion South, Tano North, and Tano South. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I will entreat you to do well to click on the red subscribe button. Wait for some few minutes, you will see a notification bell. Click on it and select all to get notified anytime we post our videos.